Immobiliser fit, and it's the Halo Plus on a 2019 Range Rover Sport. Thief gets the key, hops in, selects a gear, car cuts out, and the customer gets a phone call. So as you'll see in a second, this phone's going to ring, letting us know someone's in the vehicle trying to steal it. There we go. The Halo Plus system's giving us a call, so we're aware someone's in the vehicle trying to steal it. If they try for a second time, start it up, select a gear, the horn goes mad, system cuts out, we'll disarm it with the code, and it's silenced. If not, the horn's going to keep going for its set duration and the whole cycle will start again. This system can be paired to a phone, so every time you get in the vehicle you don't need to do a code. So we'll just show you that. We'll turn the Bluetooth on. This phone can be locked in your pocket. When you walk away from the vehicle it's active. When you come back, start it up, it disarms through Bluetooth. We hear a double bleep and we can select our gear and drive away. If the customer's phone goes flat, which is a common question we get, phone's gone flat while we're out, obviously not able to drive it using the phone, they can use a push sequence which they set up using the factory buttons. It can be anything they've set, and the way it works, they'll start the car up, obviously hear no double bleep because their phone's gone flat, pop the code in. For now it's just simple for the video, 1 2 3, but this will change. Hear that double bleep, we can drive, not reliant on the phone, totally separate. The phone's gone flat, you can use a push sequence. This has a service mode as well through the app, so if we go into the app, turn our Bluetooth on, so it needs that, we'll get a key with a green circle. If you're taking it for a service, turn the ignition on, disarm the system using the phone, so we get our double bleep. Now press and hold on here, wait till it goes yellow, let go, we get one long tone and the system's completely off. So now when it goes to Range Rover, all you've got to give them is the key. You don't need to worry about the code you've set or the Bluetooth phone you've got paired up. It's just a normal vehicle, the horn's not going to go mad, it's not going to immobilise. When you get it back, press and hold, you want it secure again, wait till it goes green, let go, 2 bleeps and the system's active again. This one is the Halo Plus, so it also has tracking through the app on the phone. So if the customer wants to know where the vehicle is, they can just go into the app. I'm just going to zoom out for a second so you can't tell where the vehicle is, obviously for security reasons. So this customer can also see where the vehicle is at any time. Zoom in, obviously they'll see exactly where it is. We've zoomed out for security reasons. They can also go back, see where it's been, see the routes it's driven, speed it's done, and so on. This is the Halo Plus with tracking on a 2019 Range Rover Sport. Thanks for watching. We're Immobiliser Fit and our number's 0208 212 7393. Once again, this one calls you, fires the horn if someone's trying to steal the vehicle. It's disarmed because you haven't given it 10 seconds from when the phone's disappeared. But if we give it 10 seconds,